What's up, YouTube? This is Lucas Bentley, and we are finally at Burping 11. It's been a long time since I've done burping, so let's go to my tree house and do this shit. So, perfect. Okay. So how's that one? It's been a while since I burped, so I might be a little bit rusty. I'm gonna do pull-ups. 1, 2, 3. Oh god! Oh god! I have a gas bubble in my stomach. No! Yeah. I just had to puke a little bit. Oh, don't worry, it's fine. Okay, maybe not. I had sushi for breakfast. Yeah, sushi for breakfast is terrible. No, I didn't have sushi for breakfast, but this is what would happen if you did have sushi for breakfast. No. No. Yeah, you'd be alright. Sushi's disgusting. No offense to people who like sushi, but most people do not like sushi. So, if you like sushi, say that in the comment. If you don't like it, say that in the comment. Just mention if you don't like it, and if you do like it. You get yeah. I'm gonna yawn. Hold on. Step 1, you burp. Step 2, paralysis. I won't be able to move for a couple minutes. I'm just kidding. But this is what it looked like if someone was standing right next to me. I'm going to play myself as burping, and then I'll act like the person that would be standing right next to me. Okay, come here, dude. Check this out. My neighbor is doing his garden. Yeah, this video has been stupid so far. Now it's time to get the real stuff on, alright? How far into the video am I? 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Just felt longer than that. Probably because I'm bored. Let's do the real stuff now. Okay. Pull my finger. I know you can't pull my finger right now, but when you're watching the video, pull my finger and count to 3. I'm gonna count to 3, and when 3's up, I act like you pulled my finger. So let's go. I'll count to 3 and put my finger out and say pull my finger, and once I count to 3, you pull on the screen, and I'll make a burping sound in 2 seconds after that. All right? 1, pull my finger. 2, 3. Oh, shouldn't have done that. No, that was major. That was pretty good right there. Try it again. Pull my finger if you dare, bitch. Oh no, I told you not to. Okay, now my finger hurts. I don't know why my finger hurts. It just hurts. And what the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with my finger? Or was this my imagination? It comes from here, not from here. Now I'm gonna teach you how to burp real quick. Hi, Bob. You've swallowed a whole bunch of air. And then, when your stomach starts to fill up, if you want it to fill up, every now and then, you gotta fill it up to a certain point. If it's really full, it'll do a loud burp like this. If it's like medium, it'll do a long burp if you let it out slow. But how you let it out is like you're throwing up. You open your throat like, and you heave it out, but you also push it out with your, like you're breathing out real hard. Swallow it, swallow the air, and make a throwing up sound and push out your mouth. So it's like, for long burps, you swallow, you get enough air until your stomach feels like it's halfway full. The bigger gulps you get, the bigger and louder the burp. Small gulps like and then let it out slow, like it'll get long. So now I'm gonna break my long record. I'm going to try break my long record, and then I'm gonna quit this video and start another one. So because I'm already 7 minutes in. Okay. Now I'm gonna start another video. This is Burping 11, and get ready because it's also gonna be Burping 12. Yeah.